Hey guys, привет! This lesson you can find on my Patreon. Today we are fixing one of the most confusing topics in Russian. How do you say while, during, for, and in? You will learn 4 words: пока, во время, за, and на. Russian uses different words for each situation. Let's start. We are beginning from the word пока. Пока is used when two actions happen at the same time. One person does one thing, another person does something else. For example, while was cooking, she was reading. In Russian it sounds like пока я готовил, она читала. So the idea is same time, two parallel actions. Let's read more examples. Пока я учился, он работал. Пока она говорила по телефону, я писал сообщения. Пока мы ждали автобус, шел дождь. Пока ты спал, я уже ушел. So in all these sentences we can see two parallel actions at the same time. Let's move on to во время. Во время is used when something happens inside a situation or event. Not two actions, just one action inside a bigger event. For example,
Я люблю русский язык.
during the lesson we spoke Russian. Во время урока мы говорили по-русски. Event is like a container. Action happens inside it. Let's read examples. Во время фильма он заснул. This means the action happens inside an event. The movie is the situation, and falling asleep happens while it's going on. One event contains another action. One more example. Во время экзамена нельзя говорить. The exam is a fixed situation. Inside this situation, a rule exists. No speaking. It describes rules inside an event. Во время встречи мы обсуждали проект. The meeting is the time frame. Inside this period, the action, discussing, happens. Action happens within a structured event. And the last example. Во время дождя мы остались дома. The rain is the background situation. Because of it, another action happens, staying at home. A situation influences what people do inside it. The next preposition is за. За is used when we talk about how long it takes to complete something. Not when it happened, but how fast it's finished. For example, I learned this in 1 week. So we don't care about the process. We only care about the whole time from the beginning to the end. It means you started something and now it's finished. And we measure how long the whole thing took. To put it simple, it's the full time from starting something to finishing it. Let's read more examples. Я сделал это за 10 минут. Он прочитал книгу за день. Мы построили дом за год. Она выучила русский за 6 месяцев. Let's move on to на. На is used when we talk about a planned period of time. It's usually used when we talk about travel, stay, or going somewhere. For example, I'm going for 1 week. Я еду на неделю. It means you decide in advance how much time you will spend on something or stay somewhere. More examples for you. Я уезжаю на 2 дня. This means a planned period of time. We decide in advance how long we will be away. It's not about how long it takes. It's about the planned duration. Next example. Он приехал на месяц. This shows a planned stay. He is here with the idea that the time period is 1 month. Мы ушли на час. This means we left with a fixed time period in mind. The focus is on the duration of absence. So, and the last example. Я в отпуск на неделю. This shows a planned time period for an activity or state. The vacation is set for 1 week. So, the simple idea for all sentences. На is a planned period of time. We set a time frame for an action, stay, or situation. So, let's practice. Look at the picture and choose the right word based on the situation. Number 1. Я уезжаю неделю. And the answer is на. Я уезжаю на неделю. Number 2. Я готовил, он смотрел видео. And the answer is пока. Пока я готовил, он смотрел видео. Very good. Let's move on to number 3. Я сделал домашнее задание 20 минут. And the answer is я сделал домашнее задание за 20 минут. Good. Number 4. Урока мы говорили только по-русски. And the answer is во время урока мы говорили только по-русски. And the last sentence. Мы не разговаривали экзамена. And the answer is also во время. Мы не разговаривали во время экзамена. So, let's make it simple. Пока means one thing is happening while another thing is happening. Во время means something happens during a situation or activity. За means from the start of an action to its completion. And на is a fixed period of time that you plan in advance. And the key idea is you don't translate these words. You choose them based on the situation. That's how Russian time logic works. Thanks for learning Russian with me. Спасибо. Пока.